Hello you all! Today we're going to look at Track and Field ported to the Amiga by JOTD. Fantastic arcade perfect conversion. And I have my Amiga joystick. It's a big one with trackball and joystick, but this is a button game and JOTD made it so we can use up. Either use the joystick up, but I have connected this button to up. So this I can use either for jump or like in this game, this is like the action button is up. And this is standard left and right configured like that. So this is like a standard Amiga joystick 2 button will work. You see here you tick this, fire and fire 2 and up controls. So that's great. So let's adjust the screen a little bit. This is okay. Put in some coins and I use the buttons to type in the name here. Nick. So now let's hammer the buttons.
On your mark.
Yes, I'm ready.
Get set.
Oh, fly! I was a little bit too fast. Ooh, I'm excited now.
Get set.
Yeah. Ah, yes! New world record. And now I have to use the action button here for the jump. Oh, not so good. It's a little bit too fast there. Yeah, but I qualified. Good. Okay, again. Ooh, no, but I hold the button too long. So he's jumping too high. You don't have to... Oh, it was a fall. Oh, I thought it was spot on. Okay. Ah, it's not that. It's better, it's better, it's better. Ooh, 8 meter. Yeah. That's a real record. So, and now it's javelin, yeah. Nei! Oh, I accidentally hit the... No. Okay. Ah, that's not so bad. Yeah. Okay. No, that was too soon. And now it's the... This is difficult. With the hurdles, with the have to press the buttons and then jump with. Yeah. Oh, this one now. Then you just put the... Yeah, I think it's okay. Ooh! Very easy. Here you only start it and then you're just putting the up or action button to throw. No!
Ow.
Ay. But I qualified, so it's good. Oh, I'm holding the button too long. Way too high.
62.5 millimeters.
Ow.
Is it running here or is it running myself? Running myself here. No! Oh, this is how long you hold the button there. No! Oh, I'm not good in this.
Ow.
0.00.
Okay, but it's a lot of fun. Lot of fun. Thanks for watching and see you.